So, without further ado, let's create our new composition. So you need to right click on this panel right here, choose new composition, and a window will appear. You need to select, first of course you can rename your composition to something else, but I usually just leave it as it is. Then you need to select the preset. The most common presets are 720 or 1080p with 25 frames per second. But lately, with the whole 4K video thing, I would recommend using a higher resolution. So 1080 would probably do. Next thing you would need to do is set the duration of your composition. You can always change it later. So you can always change the color of the background and click OK. Congratulations, you just created your first composition. Now let's move on. So let's create our first layer. It's going to be a solid layer, sort of like a background. So you right click on this panel right here, you choose new, solid, and a window will appear where you need to select the color of your layer. And it can be, whatever you want, but for now let's select sort of a grayish, almost white color. Click OK. And everything else should be fine. Let's click OK again. There. You just created a new layer. You can always change the color of the layer by going to the menu at the top, clicking Layer, Solid Settings, and changing the color over there. You can also drag around the layer, but we don't want that. So I'm just gonna undo that action, Control Z, and let's move on. By the way, just to let you know, I'm gonna be referring to commands as Control instead of Command because I use Windows and I recommend Windows for video editing. Now there is nothing wrong with using Macs for video editing, but if you want a faster render, maybe a faster performance, you will need to build a custom video editing PC. But what we are going to be doing is basic stuff, therefore you don't need a video editing PC. Even a basic laptop should do it.